You want to install a USB socket, but you're not sure how. Let me show you in this easy step-by-step guide on how to install a USB socket safely. And if you watch to the end, I'll be giving away a free BG USB socket. I'm a qualified electrician, but you need to make sure that you are confident and competent working on your own electrics. First, before you purchase a USB socket, you need to know your back box depth. If you don't, it's best to go for one that is suitable for a 25mm back box. Some USB sockets are only suitable for a back box of 35mm. I now need to safely isolate the circuit that I'm going to be working on. I've done a separate video for this. If you'd like to check it out afterwards, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This helps more people see the channel, which helps people just like yourself. Let's just have a closer look at the socket itself. Because the type of devices we both have, I've gone for a standard USB and a USB-C. The one I will be giving away is a twin standard USB. Let's open it up. Cut those screws. Instructions. As you can see, 25mm. I will just double check with my volt stick. Nothing, always nice. So first we just need to loosen the live, the neutral and the earth. One. The terminals on your existing socket might be in a different location to your new one. Just make sure you follow what is on the back of the socket. You may have old colours. If you can see the picture on the screen. Your earth is always going to be your earth. Your brown might be a red, depending on when your property was built, and your blue might be a black. Slacken off the screws. Now, just make sure you've got no copper showing in your terminations. As you can see, I haven't there. Now, this may be a bit different. Just push it back. It's always worth just pulling it back forward. Just checking your terminations again, because as them cables are bent, they may just come a little bit loose. Just make sure you're not trapping any of the cables. Just a bit inside, just so you're not straining one side. For me, I like to have my screws facing in the same direction. Check, make sure it does work. Just going to turn the circuit back on. It's always a good sign, your polarity is correct. Now what the other guides don't tell you is that your RCD should be a minimum of a type A. This, in this rectangle box, is only a type AC, so it doesn't work with DC currents. When you've got your phone or your tablet plugged in, the DC can stop a type AC RCD from working. If you see on the screen now, you will see the different types of RCD. RCD would ideally need to be changed to a type A as a minimum. This would have to be performed by a qualified electrician who could then test the RCD afterwards. Now it's time for last week's giveaway of a free isolation kit. Only one viewer subscribed, liked the video and commented the word isolation. So CB Digital Media, if you can send me your address, I will get this sent out to you as soon as possible. Now for this week's giveaway of a BG USB socket in white plastic with 2 type A USBs. All you have to do is subscribe if you haven't done already to my channel, like this video and comment below USB. I will then pick someone at random in next week's video and I will send it out to you completely free of charge. Thanks for watching, that's it for this week. If you do want to watch my other video on how to isolate your home electrics, the link is in the description below.